is what I'm leaving
conference
few
will
things on
now be
you,
recorded.
right?
Thank
Update
you.
plus insert. You will have upsert. Please try, right?
Sure.
Go ahead. Next. Anyone has any questions? Now write down a homework. Data upload homework. A real-time homework I'll give. Whoever does it will get a 160 rupees or 200 rupees dairy milk chocolate from me. If you do this homework and send it to me to my email address, first come, first serve. Whoever does it and sends to me in the first will get a dairy milk chocolate wherever you are in the earth. Even if it takes 1,000 rupees for me to send it to US, I will do that. I will ship the dairy milk chocolate from India to US. Right? Shipping cost will be more than the chocolate cost. But still, it's fine. For both online and offline, I'm giving you homework. Whoever does this homework, right, will get a dairy milk chocolate. I want to see who is doing. By the way, guys, just to keep you updated, right? I shouldn't be telling you this. Recording? Okay. Right? Be in your trainer's eyes in good manner. Always be in your trainer's eyes. Because if you're in my eyes, then only now there is an opening. Refer your friend. See that Salesforce opening has started in our office. You can see the date, 17th February 2021. We got a mail. Refer your friend, double your rewards, exciting Dell digital opportunities. Bring your friends. So you see that senior software engineer, right? Software engineer 2, 4 to 6 years experience in Salesforce Apex development, Apex classes, controllers, and Apex triggers. See, location Hyderabad. The lady with whom I was talking, she's a new hire, Chandrika. We just hired her. So today onwards, her KT session will start. Like this, we are hiring people, right? I'll be the hiring manager, right? So be in the trainer's good eyes. Now I leave it at you. That's the reason I keep on telling, guys, I'm watching you. Who is coming, who is not coming, who is doing what, right? See, all this Salesforce only, complete Salesforce requirement, 9 to 12 years experience in Java, .NET, Apex coding, JavaScript, CSS, Sales Cloud. See, we did a Sales Cloud. All the 7 elements of Sales Cloud, you should be good, right? So there are, see, medium level, high level, extreme high level. We are taking people with 9 to 12 years experience. This I8, the salary would be minimum what? 25 lakhs to 30 lakhs per annum. This will be the I8 salary. I6, no, I7, somewhere about 15 lakhs, this package. I6, somewhere about 10 lakhs. You will be joining an I5. People with less than 3x experience will join at I5. Getting it? I5. Right? Where am I? I'm here. I9. I'm in I9. Architects, consultants, all are in the I9. So if I8 itself has 25 to 30 lakh salary, then you can understand what will be my range. Right? I told you, sitting in India, I'm earning US salary. Day one. Right? My wife is very lucky, Seriously. She's very lucky. All this money goes to her account. I don't even see directly. They will send me a message, sir, transferred. I said, okay. She will tell me, got it, done. I don't even look at it. What she's spending, where she's spending, what she's doing, what not she's doing. Good, no? Sorry, girls. Huh? Very good. No, actually, these are her time, right? From her time, I'm stealing. Saturday and Sunday, I'm taking classes up to 11 o'clock. So whatever time I'm taking from her account, I'm returning her with equal value, little bit more than that, right? Okay, now this is all getting recorded, rubbish things. So write down the homework. First thing, write down the homework, real-time homework. First, upload contact, upload 20 contacts, upload contact bracket 20, number is yours, 10, 20, 30, 40, 100, 200, you choose the number, I don't mind. Upload contacts with activity called demo class. With activity called demo class scheduled for next Sunday. Activity called demo class scheduled for next Sunday. Understood? 10, 20 contacts you'll upload. Along with upload, I want activities to be also uploaded to show you. Rupam@of109.com, password CRM1234 hash. What is this homework is about? Let's understand. Right? What I'm expecting. You know how to upload a contact. Simple. It's not a simple homework. After uploading, right? You know that we have uploaded scientist, right? When you go to your app manager, you click on Sales Cloud, view all. I click on Sales Cloud. I go to contact, let it come. Why it's so slow? Which net am I connected? Online guys, looks like that the connection is very slow. Let me see the speed test. Oh man. Online guys, just wait for a few more minutes. Okay, I'm just trying to figure it out. The network connection.
This conference will now be recorded.
What I'm doing, I log into my Salesforce. First, understand the homework. Rupam@of109.com, password CRM1234 hash. Right? System is quite slow, so we have to adjust today.
Sunny, are you done?
48, 50. Okay. I click on view all. I click on sales module, right? I asked you to upload contacts. Now, the way I uploaded contacts using a data loader or any tool, you can see that the contacts are coming up here. Albert Einstein. The homework is that along with Albert Einstein, I want to see a demo class. Like this, it should be visible. Task, subject, SFDC demo. SFDC demo. When? Next Sunday. Click save. That means whenever I come and open Albert Einstein, I should be able to see this SFDC demo. This should be visible to me. SFDC demo. This one. Understood now? I don't want you to create manually, that you will upload contacts and then you will come in one by one contact and you'll create manually and try to be smart. I don't want that much smartness, right? You have to send me what? One screenshot like this, plus the upload file. The file that you have used for uploading, I want that. By this, I'll understand what you did, what you're not. Right? Not the screenshot. One screenshot and upload file. The way we created that CSV file called scientist upload file in OF109 folder, that CSV file you will drag and drop, and everybody will send me your homework. You know my email address, right? Those who know my WhatsApp number, please do not send. Please, సచ్చిపోతున్నాను వద్దు, right? Rupam dot sfdc80@gmail.com. This is my email address where you will be sending your homework. While sending, you will write subject line as OF109, because I have total 5 batches running. So if you just send me like that, I will not be able to recognize who is what. You'll put your batch ID in front of it. OF109, today's date 23 FEB. Now after that, you put whatever you want. Upload homework, right? Upload homework, anything you put, I don't mind. But please start with OF109. If you don't start with OF109, hi sir, this is Ravi. Hi sir, this is Mahesh. Which Mahesh? I have 100 Mahesh in my, right? So please don't feel bad, right? I have so many things in my brain. My wife is eating my head. First thing, on that my boss is eating my head. Second, on that class work, so many things have to adjust. So you can understand, right? Pelli cheskokanడి. Boys, be careful. Don't get married. Try to delay it as much as possible. తొరగొద్దు, ముందే చెప్పేస్తున్నాను. ఒక్క బుష్, రైట్? ఈ ఉన్న హెయిర్స్ పోతాయి. ఈ హెయిర్స్ ఉంది కదా, after exactly 2 years of marriage, all the hairs will be gone. రాసిస్తున్నాను. Okay? I mean, no offense to girls. It's just my caution to all the people who are here. Right? ఈ పెళ్లి సంబంధాలు చూస్తే ఇప్పుడు వద్దు, మెల్లగా తీసుకుందాం. Okay? Fine. Everybody got the homework? Yes? Everyone clear? Sorry? Tell me. Yes. Correct. You cannot. So you cannot schedule now. That what I will show you today. Wait. Now next Sunday, in your 70th birthday, we'll schedule. Okay? Nee 70th birthday la, we will schedule report. Wait, no, I will, let me do, no. Wait. I got your problem. Wait. Right? Till here, everyone is clear? Now, first of all, he is in a problem. Let's clear his problem. Okay? So, schedule is a license. You have to go put your credit card, buy the license. Then you can schedule it. If you don't want to do, then I will show you how it is done. It's a license. We can't help. Can we practice? No, we cannot. Because we have to buy the license. As simple as that. Everyone is matured enough to understand this. Right? Now, last class, we have seen how to use the various tools like Upload Wizard, right? We have seen Workbench. We have seen Loader, Data Loader, both IO and Data Loader, right? Now, today, we are going to see further in data management. Let's start with his topic, right? Whenever you want to export, I'll show you export schedule, right? Click on Setup, right? System is very slow, so we have to wait. There is no other option today, right? The class will go in a very slow mode. జరగదిలా class. Close, setup, setup. It's coming up. Okay. Right. Okay. So data, you have an option called as data export. When you click on data export, class is network is too slow. Hey, online guys, you will be disconnected for a minute. So once again, be patient today because I'm not liking Ready me note connected. Now let us see the speed. Let me once check the speed first. Close google.com. Speed test. Speed. Much better than what we have. Okay. Of online guys, can you hear me now? Is it clear?
Yes, yes, Rupam.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I've just
Yes,
connected to my
yes.
hotspot here. Right? At least we'll go by that. Okay. The meeting has recording is going on. Perfect. Now, I set up, I click on data export, right? Yeah, it's recording. Don't worry. It is. Oh no. Start your recording. Sorry. Right. Here you have an option called as schedule export. You can schedule an export, right? When do you want the data to be exported out? First day of every month, 15th day of every month? No, I want first Saturday of every month, second Sunday of every month, second Tuesday of every month. Monthly schedule. Currently, you can do only monthly schedule, not daily. For daily schedule, for schedule in 2070, his 70th birthday, we can use Apex scheduler. There is a concept called as schedule Apex. When we come there, you can schedule anything, not only report. You can send a birthday email, happy birthday. Today you fire it, the mail will come on your 70th birthday, right? We will come to there. Currently, because IO has a license, we cannot use it. If you want to use, you have to buy a license. In IO, it will be visible like this. Frequency on second Tuesday of every month. That means it will run when? It will run on 9th. March 9th, it will run. Next, it will run on April 13th, second Tuesday. First Tuesday is 6th, second Tuesday is 13th. Every month dynamically, it will change. May 11th, system will run because I'm saying second Tuesday of every month. Starting from today, ending till next year. For the next 1 year, keep on running this. What is the time you want to run? At what time you want to export the data? Night 1 a.m. You cannot give 1:30, 11:59. No, only you can select the timing from here. I want to run it at night 12 a.m. What are the things you want to take out? What are the things you want to export? You can choose. I want opportunity to be backed up, right? Account, lead, contacts, campaigns, right? Cases, task, user, invoices. Anyhow, we don't have invoice, we can't create. Notes, solutions. Whatever you want, you can just check them. Whatever you want, you can check them and you can click on save. Immediately, system will schedule and on that particular day, this will run. Question is that where the data will be available. I'm clicking on cancel. I will say export now, immediately. By the way, you can also include attachments. See, I'm including attachments. Somebody asked yesterday that I have a file to be downloaded. How can I do that? Here it is. You have include images, documents, attachments. Now, you want all? No, I want contact, order, order item, accounts, opportunity, lead, right? See, whichever we know, we are taking it. Cases, right? Case comments, solution, task, users, events, enough. I will say export right now. Immediately, your data export currently is in progress. It's running. It's running. Your data export is currently in progress. So, right? Again, I click on data export. It will take little time for it to run. Once the export you will receive an email when it's complete. We'll receive an email. So keep it aside. Let's go to another topic. And towards the end, we'll again come back here. By the time export will be ready, right? So let it do the job because it's running the job at the back end to export the data out. So let's keep it here. The next thing that you are going to learn today is, fine till here? Okay. Next thing that you're going to see today is called duplicate management. Put a heading. Duplicate management. Place a heading. Duplicate management. Duplicate management. Duplicate management. Managing duplicates. Managing duplicates and action. Managing duplicates and action based on a managing duplicates based on a or a
Rupam, can you please repeat?
duplicate.
We are unable to hear you, Rupam.
Rupam, your voice is breaking. It's not clear.
Man, tools.
Not
Hi, Rupam.
Right?
Your voice is not reached to me. Hi, Rupam. Can you check your internet, please? Hi, Rupam. Can you hear me? Your voice is not audible to me.
Same here, Rupam. Abhi? Yeah.
Yes, Abhi, I am here. Okay, guys. Hey,
Sorry.
sorry, guys. I know that. Hey, sorry. I know that today there's a disturbance going on, right? Take it, my phone. Anyone wants to change the setting? Do it, whatever you want to do. Right? I know today we have a network problem. Right? So today the class is going in disturbance mode because we have internet problems. So don't worry, guys. Right? Don't worry. I will repeat the class tomorrow again. Okay. Just let's not waste the time. At least do some.
Okay, Rupam.
Okay, right? So if there's a silence, don't panic. Sit quiet. Your trainer will come back. Whatever is happening in your screen, I'm able to see. I know that your voice is lost, right? Your screen is slow. I can feel and I can see everything. So don't worry about it. There is nothing to panic. Online guys, please sit and relax, right? That's okay. Should be good. Let's see. Okay, so duplicate management, right? There are two steps to it. Number one, first one, matching rules. Second one, duplicate rule. Step two, duplicate rule. There's nothing on the screen. First one, matching rule. Second one, duplicate rule. In the front of matching rule, in a bracket, write duplicate definition, right? In front of the duplicate rule, write action. Now, I give you one scenario. There are two contacts, Rupam Chakravarti, Anupam Chakravarti. Same address, 8-5-291, Sayanra Colony, Bachupalli. Now, it is good, by the way. Next, we are using the same phone number, 040-2306-407, not working, right? Now tell me, is it a duplicate? Yes. How many of you say it's a duplicate? Rupam Chakravarti, Anupam Chakravarti, same address, same phone number. Is it a duplicate? Yes or no?
No.
Somebody will say yes, somebody will say no. The answer is don't use your brain. Let the client decide what is a duplicate. You as a developer don't use your brain to decide what is a duplicate. First of all, your client has to give you, if he says, hey, I want a duplication, you should say define duplicate. What does the duplicate words mean to you? They will give a definition, you will implement it. Here in this case, few might say it's a duplicate because name is different, but phone same, address same, email same. You'll say it's a duplicate, right? But might not be. Me and my father, we stay in the same house. In fact, I stay in his house, right? So my father doesn't have a phone, he'll use my phone. He doesn't have an email, he'll use my email. He stays in the same address is same. Other than name, everything will be same, but both are two different customers. Both are two different customers. Both has two different choices. I will look for a smartphone, he will look for a dabba phone, right? Sales team selling him a smartphone, any use? No, totally waste. Sales team selling me a dabba phone, any use? No. Both are different customers, their age groups are different, but they're not duplicates. So never in real time try to use your brain to define duplicate. Let client comes, they will give the definition in a written, in an email or in a Word document. They will give you define duplicate and you will do it here. Where we define the duplicate? In a place called as matching rule. Here it is. Under data, I go ahead, duplicate management. Inside duplicate management, I have an option called as matching rules. Here it is, matching rules. Right? Now, I click on new rule. Duplicate management is possible only in 4 objects: accounts, contacts, individual, nothing but users, and lead. Write down. Duplicate management is supported in 4 system objects only. Duplicate management is supported in 4 system objects only. What are those? In a bracket, duplicate management is supported in 4 system object only. Duplicate management is supported in 4 system object only. Number 1, account, number 2 contact, number 3 lead, account, contact, lead, individual. Only in this 4 objects only supported. Rupam, if I want to check a duplicate in opportunity, then you have to do programming, Apex. Right? Then we have to do what? Programming. If you want a duplicate object in passenger, I created a table. I want a duplicate. I don't want duplicate passenger to be registered. I created a patient, a table. In that patient, we'll be doing it. Very soon we'll come there. I will create an Apollo hospital patient. Right? Don't worry. So I will create a patient table. In that patient table, we don't want duplication. Can I use duplicate management? No. Then I have to use programming, Apex. So duplicate management is supported only in these 4 tables. Now I select contact table, right? And I click on next. What is the rule name? It's asking what is the rule name. So I go ahead and I give a name. con DUPLICAT duplicate, last name and mobile. Last name and MOBI. So whenever the last name same, mobile number same, we will say it's a duplicate. Let's assume that this is the definition what client has given to us, right? Write down the description, blah, 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 blah. Now here it is. Whenever the last name exactly matches, right? You have one more option called as fuzzy. Fuzzy means it will give you a weird result. Fuzzy means Hydernagar, Hyderabad, it will match. Fuzzy means if there is a place called Hydernagar, Hyderguda, Hyderabad, all are same? No. But with a fuzzy match, it will say all are same. Because it's able to see Hyder. It thinks that after that they might have made a mistake. Actually, Hyderabad is equal to Hydernagar. Hydernagar is equals to Hyderguda. Hyderguda is equal to Hyderpura. So fuzzy will make random matches. So in real time, avoid taking fuzzy. Fuzzy will give you khatarnak, unexpected answers. So be careful on it. Clearly, I'm calling it out. So I will take exact match. Right? Satyamurthy, Satyanarayana. For fuzzy, both are same. Because it's a Satya Murti, Satya Narayana. It found that Satya common gada could be same, and it will show you it's the same. So be careful with fuzzy. Have you heard this word fuzzy anywhere? In washing machine they use. We don't use it. If you need it, then use it. There's no. That's all. It's all depend on the client. Client says that okay, I'm fine with this random matches also. Fuzzy logic is nothing but there is no fixed. In washing machine, these are used. Whenever you are buying a washing machine, scroll down, you will be able to see fuzzy logic. The batta, the cloth, there is no particular on jagan itlane tirugutudani. It can rotate like this, next time from this side, next time from that side, next time from down. So there is no standard that first top, then down, then left, then right. No standard flow. Machine can take its own decision to rotate the cloth in any direction way it wants. That's called fuzzy logic, right? Same here also, fuzzy logic. Sometime it will match, sometime it will not match. It will say Satyanarayana, Satyamurthy is same. Satya Prakash, it will say sorry, it's not duplicate. Why? There's no answer. System will take its own decision in the fuzzy match. In real time, we avoid using fuzzy match. That's the reason I'm calling it out fuzzy match. Everything is given doesn't mean that you'll use it. Remember this, because it's there, I'm telling you. But everything, whatever is there, అది ఎక్కడ యూజ్ అవుతుంది? జంపింగ్, బిల్డింగ్ నుంచి కూడా దుంకొచ్చు. I will teach you jump. I'll be teaching you jumping. right? Can you jump? Will you jump from a building? Yes or no? Obviously not. Suppose there is some no, on the road there's a pit hole. Then will you jump? Yes. So teaching jumping doesn't mean that you'll keep on jumping everywhere, right? So same thing, because these options are there doesn't mean that you'll try to use everywhere. In real time we use exact match, right? Suppose you say no, my logic is different. I want the first 3 character, last 3 characters should match. Then you have to use programming. Clear now? Then you have to use programming. Currently we have only thing called as fuzzy, which is system controlled. You like it, use it. You don't like it, don't use it. You have a complete Apex option. That is the reason Apex is given to you, where you can write your own logic. Define your own logic. I want first 3 character, middle 2 character, last 2 character. If it matches, then it's duplicate. So you can write your own logics, which will do that, right? Next, I want, what else? I said mobile number. Here also I'm taking exact match. I can say, I will put couple of more condition. Last name, exact, and phone, exact. Phone, where is phone exact? Right? So now let's see. 1 and 2, yes, it has to match. Keep watching, guys. 1 and 2, what is 1 and 2? Last name and mobile matches, or 3 and 4. What I have given? 1 and 2 or 3 and 4. That means if the last name is Reddy, phone number is 222, right? Again, I create one more contact with Reddy phone 222, system will fall in this logic. 1 and 2 matching. Suppose I say Reddy and I don't enter the mobile phone, I enter in where? Phone. Then also system will match. So either you take a mobile phone or a phone, any one of the criteria matches, system will match. Able to understand what I'm doing? Last name, mobile number, same to same. Otherwise, last name, phone number, same to same, then it's duplicate. I have 2 conditions here now. My duplicate has 2 definition. Name plus mobile, name plus phone. Anything matches, it's a duplicate. So here we give a definition. I click on save. A duplicate match rule got created. I click on activate. I click on activate, right? Activate. Guys, able to understand? Yes or no? I activated it. Now, this is a definition. Now, where is the action? Okay, there's a duplicate. What do you want to do? What do you want to do is a question now. Those actions we write where? In the second step called as duplicate rules. In the first step, it's only definition. First step, definition of a duplicate. So whenever if last name and phone or last name and mobile same, then it's a duplicate. I've defined my definition of duplicate. Now I will go ahead and write the second step. Duplicate rule. I click on new rule. I will write on the contact. Right? I will write on the contact. Right? There we go. So what is the rule name? We'll say CONTA contact DUPLICT duplicate rule. For now, for the moment, ignore this. Sharing rules. What is the sharing rules? It's a OWD. Have you heard the word OWD? Yes. In the profile, when I was giving you the flow, there I use the word called as OWD, organization wide default. Will come there. For the moment, just keep it aside. Suppose duplicate can happen in 2 scenarios. While you're inserting the data or you're updating the data. Updating also can be there, right? I said Ramesh R. Later I changed it to Ramesh Reddy. Phone number was 888. I changed it to 999. There could have been already somebody called as Abhilash Reddy with 999. Already a record is existing called Abhilash Reddy, phone number 999. But I opened one record called as Ramesh R, phone number 888. You can go ahead and remove R and you can say Reddy. You can go ahead and remove the phone number 888 and you can make it to 999. You hit save, then again it's a duplicate. Duplicate can happen in two scenarios, at the time of creation or at the time of edit. Do you want to allow? First step we will allow. Okay. Alert, report. Alert, show a message and report. Alert, report. Now I'll give my message. I will give my message. What message? This record looks to be duplicate. Please check before saving. This is my custom message. Just to make you understand that this message was created by us, I am adding some numbers to it. Whenever, just otherwise you will not be able to understand between whether it's a system or it's custom. Just to differentiate between a custom and a system, I'm adding star 9999, so that you'll understand that this message was written by us. Clear? Now compare contact with contact. First record contact, second record is contact. Because duplication you need minimum two. One has to be there, another Abhilash Reddy now compared with Ramesh Reddy. So two records has to be there. Now what is the rule? Right here, the rule that we created, the definition, con, duplicate, last name and mobile. Whatever we created in the first step, I have mapped it on the second step. Clear now? Now, when do you want this rule to run? For all contacts? Then save. No, I don't want to run it for all contact. I want to run it only for Hyderabad customers. Whenever you give, if you say it's Hyderabad customer, then only it will check mobile, last name, phone. Able to understand? If you just hit save, then it will be on a complete contact table. I will say no. Only where city is equals to Hyderabad. City contains HYD. This rule will be running only for Hyderabad customer. In a Bangalore, if you put Abhilash Reddy, Ramesh Reddy, 888, it will not give error, because the rule is applicable only for wherever the mailing city is Hyderabad. I'm giving a condition. I click on save. Right? Now activate. I'm activating the rule. Done. Rule got activated. Let's go ahead and create one. The rule is activated. So app manager, view all, sales. Let's create a contact called as Abhilash Reddy. Same thing, right? I click on contact, right? System is coming up. I've just created it, right? I click on new. Right? I'll say Mr. ABHILASH Abhilash REDDY Reddy. Mobile number 8888. How many 8s are there? 4 8s. Right? Remaining data you fill, you don't fill, I don't care. Remember that it should be Hyderabad. Abhilash Reddy belongs to Hyderabad. I click on save. No issues at all. Now I will create one more record called as Ramesh Reddy. New. Mr. First name Ramesh. Last name REDDY. Mobile number 1234. I give the city as HYD or Hyder Nagar. I give city as what? Hyder Nagar. Abhilash belongs to Hyderabad. He belongs to Hyder Nagar. As soon as I hit the save button, immediately, see, the record you are about to create looks duplicate. view duplicate. Do you see our message coming up? This record looks to be duplicate. Please check before saving. 999999 we created, and it's matching with what? Abhilash Reddy. System, because you define the rule there, system is now executing and checking the record. I'll say okay. I'll say save. Even though it's a duplicate, it got saved. However, here it will keep on showing. Found one duplicate. See? Now I'll create one more. What is that? One more ready? Anyone ready in the class? Was that ready? Jagan Mohan Reddy. Mohan. Mohan. REDDY. Phone number. Mobile number 88888. 4 8s. Exact we said. Right? City. If I put Bangalore, if I put Anandapur, Kadapa, it will not take it. It will not treat this because it will ignore, because my condition is that only check if he belongs to Hyderabad. This rule is applicable only for Hyderabad, not Hyderabad, HYD. Wherever it's HYD, it could be Hyderabad, Hyderpura, Hydernagar, Hydergoda, anything. So I will say Hyderpalli. Okay. Okay, Hyderpalli. Right? I click on save. Immediately system will give there is a duplicate. View duplicates. Now to show you the two. Already there is a Ramesh Reddy, Abhilash Reddy with the same phone number, right? With whatever the definition you gave. Reddy, mobile same. On that you are creating one more called Jagan Mohan Reddy, right? So here there will be Reddy. Fine. I click on save. Because my rule allowed to create. Same thing, edit. It's for new. Edit is Madam Curie. Madam Curie. I go to details, right? I click on, I say Madam Reddy. Mobile phone number, I change it to 888. From where she is, from London, I change to HYDON, Hayden. I'm changing London to Hayden. I click on save. Immediately the duplicate rule will populate. Saving. Oh, it didn't. Why? What is the rule that we gave? Anybody remember? What is this? Mailing city. City only, no? Huh? I gave it a mailing city HYD. I gave it mobile number 888. I gave Reddy. Right? Sorry, salutation doesn't make a difference. That is not a part of our rule. Our rule should have triggered. It's still thinking. I should have got here what? I should have got an alert. It's a duplicate because it's also a duplicate. 88848 2ID. Okay, let us see our definition. Setup. I'm going to my duplicate definition. Let us check. By the way, we will now block. Block means if duplicate found, you cannot create a duplicate in Salesforce. Data, right? Duplicate management, duplicate rule. There also I can see, don't worry. I need not to go to the matching. In the duplicate rules also I can see. I open this duplicate. I click on deactivate. The rule is stopped. The rule is not working. Last name, exact match, right? Next, mobile number, exact match, or contact last name or phone. Everything is fine. I will say edit. This time we will say block. Block will not allow you to create. You cannot save the record now, right? Let's see. I click on contains HYD. In hidden also HYD is there. Save. I've just changed the rule to block now. I click on activate. The rule got activated. Now let's refresh it. It takes little time for the rules to get activated and deploy. So refresh, refresh. Right, refresh, done. Enough. Now let's go ahead. I go ahead and I create, first let us create a new. What is that? Right, Miss SWAPNA, Swapna Reddy. Phone number, mobile number 8888. Right, city Hyderabad. Hit save. Looks duplicate. Hit save. It will not save. Hit save. You cannot create Swapna Reddy now. Click on view. Already there are 4 duplicates are there. All these are duplicates. Madam Reddy. So it's coming up now. Madam Reddy, Ramesh, Avilash, Jagan Mohan. All are duplicates. I say okay. I hit save. Under no circumstances you can create a data. Now if I use a data loader, in the data loader, I upload one more, right? Monica Reddy, phone number 888, city Hyderabad. What will happen? Out of 100, one of the entry in the CSV list, there are 100 data I'm loading. In that, one of the entry is Monica Reddy, Hyderabad, mobile number 888. System will load 99. It will not load the 1. That means the rule is not applicable for, the rule is not applicable for only page insertion. Wherever the data is coming, whether the data is coming from the page, whether the data is coming from the data loader, whether the data is coming from workbench, this rule will get triggered. So don't think that the rule is only meant for new form. No, it will also get triggered in the data loader. That means in a data loader, while uploading, all these will error out. You will be able to see in the error list. Monica Reddy, right? Prasad Reddy, 10 Reddys are there with all same phone number. All the 10 records will be rejected by the system. Tell me. It will be there in the error list, no? Sorry? Yes, it will keep on check the records. While insertion, it will check the rule insert, check the rule insert, check the rule insert. So yes, right? It's an MVC development style, model view controller. We'll talk about it. What's happening in the MVC? Clear, guys? Everyone? Right? Perfect. So under no circumstances I can create. Let us try to edit a record. Let us try to edit a record. Right? Let's take Karina Kapoor. Right? Karina. I click on details. I shouldn't be able to edit. Right? Miss Karina Reddy. Phone number, mobile number from Hyderabad 8888. City should be Hyderabad. As soon as I click hit save button, right? See, I got an error. You can't save. Save. As soon as I hit the save button, it will give an error. It's trying to save, error. Save. Rule is working. See, view duplicates. See, I'm trying to change from Karina Kapoor to Karina Reddy. System is saying no, there are already 4 Reddys are there. You could create one more Reddy with the same phone in the same city. See, now there is no other way other than cancel. You can't make the change. Other than ready, you give anything, it will save it. Because my definition is only last name should match. Able to understand everyone? Yes or no? Right? So other than saving, I don't have any other option. Duplicate rule, everybody can create. Write down the homework. Right? Now, another homework on lead. Sorry, duplicate management. I'll give you two homeworks. Number one, dummy. Dummy homework, which everybody can do. What is that? Right? Create a duplicate rule in lead. Create a duplicate rule in lead, right? Create a duplicate rule in lead, right? With mobile and email. If mobile number, email match, let it be whatever the name might be. Rupam, Anupam. Mobile number is 888. Anupam mobile number is 888. Email address rupam.sfdc80, rupam.sfdc80. Both are duplicates. The way I just did it right now, I took what? Last name and mobile. Now I'm giving you mobile and email. That is the reason it is called as dummy. Dummy means easy, anyone can create. Now let's have a real time. Again, right? 80 rupees dairy milk chocolate. See, I'm giving you so much options. For what? Just to make you to do this. చేయండి అంటే ఎవరు చేయడు కనీసం for the chocolate itself do, you will get something, right? Okay, real time. Any question? Right? First listen, understand. Dummy, within a 1 second you'll understand, don't worry. Things which are able to understand within 1 second, you should understand that that's dummy. Things which is bouncing, then only you should realize that ikkada edo undi. Now understand the homework. I have all readies in contact. Now I create a new lead called as a new lead I'm creating, right? Called as Josna Reddy. System should compare lead to contact, and then it should stop me creating the lead. Ardhamautunda? Here, contact, there is ready. On contact, if you create another ready, system is giving an error. This is what we did in the class. In contact, there is a ready. You're creating another ready in the contact with the same phone, it's giving error. My requirement is not that. In contact, there is a ready. I'll be creating another ready in lead. System should stop me saying that, sorry, there's a duplicate. Not in lead. If I go and see in lead, there is no ready at all. The lead, it's a cross table, single word. I gave you a homework, cross table comparison. Earlier, same table comparison, contact versus contact. Here I am saying lead versus contact. If I created, right, Josna Reddy lead, immediately system should say, sorry, there's a duplicate, and it should show me all this Jagan Mohan, right, Monica, whatever we created, Swapna, these are all what? Contact records. This should be shown where? In the lead. So now when I go ahead and create a lead, new, I'm not in contact anymore, I'm in lead now. So I click on new. I click on new. I here say that JYOTHNA. That's okay. REDDY. Mobile number 888. Right? One more 8. And here when I say city equals to HYDRABAD Hyderabad, as soon as I hit the save, System should compare not with lead, it should compare with contact. See, real time is not that straight. Real time requirements are always different. That is the reason between, right, you doing learning in Amirpet. I would have given you this example, you would have did it, you would have felt that yes, I know everything. But in interview, he will ask this question. Then you will be thinking, ila kuda chesukocha. That time you will realize, right? Any one of your friends who have Salesforce, learned the Salesforce course, or learning in some other institute, some other trainer, go and ask them. నీకు అయిపోయింది కదా టాపిక్ చేసావు కదా వచ్చు కదా ఒకసారి జేవా giving this to uploads as well as this. Let me see whether they can do or not. If you're not able to do this homework, after 3 days, I will do it. 3 days that time I'll give. If you're not able to do, anybody who is able to do it, send it to me. I'll make you sit in my chair and I'll be sitting there. You will be explaining everyone how you have did. Right? That is also required. Your fear has to come out. You shouldn't be always, sometimes you should come here also. Right? So we will do that. Don't worry, there's nothing to laugh. Nobody will eat you away. Nobody will. So be daring enough. Right? Got the real-time homework? Everybody understood the real-time task? Right? Write down. Write a duplicate rule. Comparing lead to contact on mobile and email match. Like a duplicate rule comparing lead to contact. Write a duplicate rule comparing lead to contact on mobile and email match and block lead creation. If the duplicate exists, you shouldn't be able to create a lead. System will not allow creating of lead because lead is the entry of data in Salesforce. Why I'm giving you the homework on lead? What is the entry point of data in Salesforce? Campaign. You do campaign. After campaign, by looking at the advertisement, people will start calling you, walking to your institute. You will capture them where? In lead. From lead, you convert to accounts and contacts. That means your data is entering in Salesforce through lead. In the first step itself, I am blocking the duplicates. This is how the real time will go. Right? Rather than writing a duplicate on accounts and contact, first, ekkadi nunchi vastundi akkada block cheyandi. From where it's coming, contacts and accounts are coming from where? Lead. So stop it there. Right? Now to stop, I need to know whether the contact already there or not, because in lead, once you convert, it's gone. Once you convert a lead, in the lead table, the data is no more there. It goes to the contact table. Now somebody coming up and creating Saif Ali Khan, one more lead, immediately system says, sorry, Saif Ali Khan already exists. If somebody is trying to create a lead, right, with Kareena Kapoor, immediately system should stop, sorry, Kareena Kapoor already exists. So I have to compare between lead to contact. And that is the real-time task I gave you. If you are able to do this, then you are perfect in duplicate management. If you are able to upload the homework that I gave you, contact with activity. If you're able to do, then you can say, yes, I can, at least for this topic, I'm good for interview. Yes, these are your checkpoints. If you're not able to do, then you have to understand that I didn't come to that level. I have to work hard to get to that level. Yes, everyone. That's it for today. Right? Anybody has any questions? Offline, any questions? Right? Online, I will take your question tomorrow, if you don't mind. I have a meeting now, right? There's a new joinee. joined my team, so I have to just walk her through all the, the project, the KT session. I'll not take, today is the first day, so I'm taking introduction. Then I'll give it to the team. Right? So let's meet tomorrow, same time. So till then, thank you. Have a nice and wonderful day. Bye-bye, guys.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, guys.